Hello everyone, wishing you a happy new year first of all. And I'm on tour now in Mumbai and traveling tomorrow to Lonavala. Okay, so whoever's there in Lonavala want to catch up, let me know, give me a call. And from Lonavala tomorrow, I am traveling to Khandala to visit an organic farm. And I'll be spending a whole day there learning some interesting techniques. Okay, so even if you're in Khandala, do catch up with me. Give me a call. My number, if for those of you who don't have it, is 98217 58877. Okay, and after that, then I'll be in Pune from the 5th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, so 6th, I'm doing my health workshop, reversing chronic illnesses with integrative natural medicine and therapies. And on 7th, which is Sunday, we are having an Earthkeepers meetup at Yogi Tree. So, a little bit about my workshop. Many of you know about it. It's reversing high BP, cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, hormonal imbalance, infertility, back problems, head, leg, lung, kidney, all of that with integrative natural medicine and therapies. Of course, diet and nutrition is the main component. Then it is acupressure for diagnosis and healing. Then it's using herbs also for healing, natural organ detoxes, the five elements therapy, the natural health therapy, all of that combined to give amazing results of reversing illnesses within 3 months. Okay, so that's going to happen at a countryside kitchen in New Sangavi, that's somewhere just near Aund in Pune. Okay, so if you want to join that workshop and you're in Pune or somewhere close by, give me a call and I'll register you for the workshop. And after Pune, I'm going to be there in back in Goa for a week. And after Goa, then I'm going to be going to Bangalore. After Bangalore, next week in Coimbatore. Okay, so if you want me to do those workshops, then most probably I'm going to do my health workshop in Bangalore also. So if you want to attend it, give me a call. And if you're somewhere in, Coimbatore, around the place, then I'm having a big meetup over there, and then also my health workshop. Okay, so do connect. And at this time, in the health workshop also, I am teaching people how to detoxify from side effects of the injectables that have been given all around the world since the last 2 years. Okay, so that's very important because just today a friend's mother passed away due to that, and she had chest pains and all that few days earlier. A family friend also had a brain problem, brain tumor. So these things are on the rise, and that's one of the reasons that I'm doing, this workshop, because there's more prevalence of cancer, diabetes, and people really need help. They need the skills. So what I'm teaching people is lifelong skills of how to reverse your illnesses and also to learn it well enough so that you can treat your family and friends. Okay, so that's a really important work. And when I go to all of these places, we are having the meetups to talk about how to make an eco village, how to have your own secure water, food, natural medicine, natural body products, natural home cleaners, and other things in life that are self-sustaining and supporting your local community, to make a local abundant economy. So all of these things, are there in this video, Making New Earth. So we will be talking about that entire movement across India, why we are building people's domain expert committees in every state in India to take care of our health, food, farming, environment. So it's one of the most comprehensive projects that we are doing throughout the country. So if you're interested in all of that too and care about our future and what's happening in the world, yeah, do connect and rewind back again, get my number and give me a call. Okay, and for those of you who want details of my Pune workshop, go to my website darryldesouza.com, and there in the tab of latest news you will see the Pune workshop details. Okay, otherwise if you can't find it, give me a call. Bye and God bless, and hope to catch you somewhere or the other.